welcome back. Today I am going to do a quick makeup tutorial for a no makeup look. I'm running a little behind schedule. I'm going to do some grocery shopping and then I have to work a little bit later. I want to check my mail. It's Saturday, so they do close I think at 11 today, and it is now, let's see what time it is. It's 9:58, so 10 o'clock. So I'm doing just a quick makeup look today, just using as minimal products as possible. So I'm going for the minimalist natural look today. So I figured I'd stick with neutral colored eyeshadow, and I'm not going to wear foundation. I already did my skincare. I do my skincare daily, every night, every morning, every night. Skincare is so important. That's where it all starts. And what I use today is my Prize on the Eyes eye cream, and then in the same line, I used the Never Grow Up face serum and the Never Grow Up face cream. These are anti-aging and they are vegan. They are a part of the Look Natural line that Perfectly Posh has, and I do sell Perfectly Posh products, so I will leave my link in the description box below. Now, I absolutely love trying out new skincare products, but today I stuck with my tried and true routine. So I'm going to jump right into the face for the makeup look that I'm doing today, and I'm going to not use foundation. I am going to use this brightening concealer. It's by Benefit. If you have not heard of this stuff or tried this stuff, I highly, highly recommend it. This is my absolute favorite concealer in the world. It is so like a moussey, creamy texture, and it goes on so nicely. It looks beautiful. It does not sit in the fine lines. It just looks so good. It is my absolute favorite. Most concealers do sit in my fine lines, and it drives me nuts, and I feel like I look older. I feel like sometimes foundations and concealers actually age me and make my skin look older. So this is definitely an absolute fave, must-have in my makeup collection. Since today is all about doing a quick no makeup look for the minimalist, I am going to just use my fingers to apply the concealer, and you'll just see how beautiful it looks on the skin as I apply it. So I'll just pick up a little bit and just dab it underneath my eyes, and that's the only place I'm going to use it today. I just think it's so beautiful. I think it looks so natural, and it brightens it so nicely. So you can see the difference between this eye that I put it on and this eye that I did not. And I'll go ahead and do my other eye. Okay, I am going to take just a little blending sponge and just dab it in there a little bit better. I don't know, I just feel like it looks really natural. Like, you can't tell I'm wearing anything, and I love that. Especially for these no makeup days. Alright, so I'm just gonna do eyeshadow now. I wanted to stick with neutral colors, a palette that I know and love, and that has all those basic neutral colors that you could possibly need for this kind of look. And it is the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. They actually just released a part 2 in this palette, which has everything is in the second palette is pretty much the same up for these 3 colors. And then, okay, so you have all these are mattes, but in the part 2, these 3 are lusters, so like a shimmer shadow. And then instead of just 3 different, you guys, please stop, you guys. Instead of just 3 different contour shades, you get a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter in the part 2. But this is the part 1, and I absolutely love it. It's so good for days like this when I have to be quick and go, and need just a neutral look. So I am going to use eyeshadow primer because I think no matter what look you're going for, if you're wearing eyeshadow primer makes a huge difference. It really does. It just helps the eyeshadow to stay put all day and to last and to not like fade away or crease up on you. So I always use eyeshadow primer, so I'm going to use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and this is says 24-hour anti-crease eyeshadow primer. This is usually my go-to eye primer. Hey, baby. What are you doing? Come here. Now you're going to mess up my timing. This is Diva. I guess Diva wants attention. Wants to say hi. Diva. Now, just to set that eye primer, I'm going to go in with this sand color here and just apply that all over my crease and eyelid. So when I go to work, it's a very small place that I work at, and our customers, a lot of them, especially this time of year, this is our slowest season, a lot of the customers are just, you know, locals that come in on a daily basis. We get more travelers in the summer, fall time, so I don't go ham on my makeup when I'm going to work. Most of the time, I actually don't even wear makeup when I go to work. When I do wear something that's a little more bold than what I'm wearing today, I often get comments like, "Oh, you got dressed up," or "Wow, makeup." It's just kind of funny. I've actually gotten a lot too, people commenting something along the lines of, "Well, you look so much better without makeup," and things like that. So I'm curious to ask you guys if you've experienced similar situations where people, you know, make comments insinuating that you look better without makeup, and what do you think about that? How do you respond? You know, I say thank you, and then I think about it and I'm like, well, is that a compliment? I don't know. You saying I look bad in makeup? I don't know. I find it amusing. I mean, it doesn't really bother me. It doesn't affect how I do things, that's for sure. But I just thought it was interesting. Thought I would bring it up and just see if you guys have any input or anything you'd like to add to that topic. Okay, I'm going to go with a little bit of a darker shade just for the outer corner and then into the inner crease. If I stop dropping my brushes, I'm going to use this, it's a crease brush, it's more tapered. And I'm going to use the color, I'm going to use the color, oh, that might be too dark for this look though. What do I want to do here? Yeah, I'm going to use Smoke. I'm just going to go in with a very light hand, just on that outer V, a little bit, and then in to the inner crease. Just a little bit, just to darken those areas and just give it a little more definition, a little more contour to the eye. Nothing crazy, because again, this is a minimal makeup day. How long does it take you guys to do a full glam face? I'm telling you, it takes me a long time. And I would say winged liner is the most difficult for me. I'm practicing, and trying to get that down. But I would say if I'm doing a full face, doing every single step, it takes me a couple hours. So I thought it would be fun to time myself today and see really how long it takes me to do this. Alright, I'm going to go back in with the e.l.f. brush, soften that up. I'm going to go in with this shade here, Journey, and put that all over my lid. I kind of want to do like concealer first just to make it stand out, but I'm not going to. I'm going to see how it looks on its own. And I'm just going to take like a you know, shader eyeshadow brush and just pat that down onto my eyelids. Okay, that's going to work. Foundation would be probably the step that I would skip on most days. Eyeshadow, I think, is the statement piece, like, and I love doing eyeshadow, so I want to put on eyeshadow just because I enjoy it. So eyeshadow would be the first thing that I would put on, and foundation would be the thing that I would be most apt to leave out of the look. And I would love to hear your opinions below. What would be the one makeup product that you have to use and the one makeup product that you could most live without? Okay, so that is that. Very neutral eye look. I'm going to go back in just one more time and fluff through it. And then I'm going to apply mascara. And for mascara today, I picked this $1 mascara that I found at the Dollar Tree. It's Wet n Wild Mega Wear. This has a very small applicator, so it's great for the bottom lash line, and a lot of the time I will just use it for the bottom lash line. But today, since it's a minimal look, quick, you know, I'm just going to go and use this for both. I feel like this is the perfect bronzer for a no makeup day because it's a very light bronzer. It's buildable, but you can wear it very light, and it just looks so natural and pretty on the skin. So that is what I'm doing for today. So I'm just going to do a little bronzer. But see how light? I mean, I'm like swirling around in that, and that didn't go on very heavy at all. But you can build it up or wear it light. See, that looks pretty natural, I would say. I mean, I don't even know, maybe on the film, on this video, you might not even really be able to tell a whole lot. But it's perfect for these days where you don't want to go heavy or look like you're wearing a ton of makeup. So I haven't used it yet. It's Tarte. This is from the Allure Beauty Box. They had a promotional thing when I signed up that you get a free Tarte blush. This is in the color Dazzled, so it does have the shimmer in it. So I figured, you know, go, if you're not using highlighter, go with a blush that has some shimmer in it. That will kind of have a little bit of a highlight on its own. Let's see how it applies, how it looks on. It's pretty. It's a nice nude color. Alright, so this blush is really pretty. I like the color a lot. But the shimmer, I mean, you can see some shimmer in there, but it's not giving it that real highlighted effect like some of my other blushes that have the shimmer in it do. But that's okay, because I prefer not to have the shimmers. So these shimmers in this blush are very subtle. I think this is a gorgeous color. I really, really, really like it. Woo. And it was one that I hadn't tried yet. So this is a keeper for me. Dazzled Tarte Clay Blush. Okay guys, we're getting there. I'm wasting time, so now my time's not going to be as good as it would have been. But I'm going to just do a quick liquid lip from ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills, in the color Stripped. This is an amazing nude color. I haven't worn it yet, but I swatched it. Say hi, this is Aurora. Hi. Would you say hi? Isn't she adorable? She's my little baby. I typically really don't care for being held, though. I'm sorry. I'll put you down. I had to show you guys. She's so cute. I've showed her in another video. I don't remember which one, though. I was thinking of doing a video where I introduce all of my animals to you guys. I have 3 dogs, 3 small dogs, 3 bunnies, and 2 cats. Comment below if that's something, a video you would enjoy, and maybe I'll do it sometime. Alright, I'll put you down, baby. Okay, enjoy. Now that I have bunny hair everywhere, this is the look. The minimal makeup look for the day. The no makeup look for the day. This is how it all came together. I like it. I think it's pretty. What time is it? It is 10:28, so we started around 10. It's 10:28, so about half hour, which is actually what I was expecting. Typically, if I went through all the makeup steps, it would take me about 2 hours. So doing this, you know, a more quick, neutral, no makeup look for the minimalist in me, it takes about half an hour, which is perfect. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this, and if this is a look that you would do if you know. And oh yeah, I really want to know what the one thing you would have to wear would be and the one thing you could most do without. Really want to know. So let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I have some really awesome videos coming your way. I do a monthly giveaway. It's a small item. That's all, you know, for now. But once my channel builds, I will be doing bigger giveaways. But right now I'm doing one a month because I just thought it was a nice touch and just to show appreciation. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!